Lingbird, language learning made easy.
Excuse me, is this taxi free?
Yes, hop in. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to the city museum, please. Do you know where it is?
Yes, of course. It's on Queens Avenue in the city center. I know it well.
Great. How long will it take to get there?
At this time of day, probably around 15 to 20 minutes. The traffic can be a bit heavy in the city center.
I see. I have a tour starting at 2 o'clock. Will I make it in time?
It's only 1:30 now, so yes, you'll definitely make it. Don't worry.
That's a relief. By the way, is the meter already running?
Yes, it started when you got in. It shows the price on the screen there.
Okay. Roughly, how much will the fare be?
I'd say around 12 to 15 pounds. It depends on the traffic.
That's fine.
Can I pay by card or is it cash only? You can pay by card, contactless, or chip and PIN. I also accept cash if you prefer. Good to know. All pay by card. Are you visiting the city for the first time?
Yes, I arrived just yesterday. It's a beautiful city.
It is. Have you visited any places yet?
Not many. I walked around the old town this morning. It was amazing.
You should also visit the harbor in the evening. The views are wonderful at sunset. That sounds lovely. And if you need a good restaurant, there are some excellent seafood places near the harbor too.
I love seafood. That's very helpful. Thank you.
Here we are. City Museum. That's £12.50, please. Here's my card. Just tap it there on the reader. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful. Goodbye.
Thank you. Enjoy the museum and the rest of your visit.
Thank you for listening to this lesson. Your progress doesn't stop here. For even more confidence in your language skills, click on the next video or choose a playlist that matches your level. And of course, like and subscribe to stay up to date. Bye-bye.